Hello, fellow traders. It is Friday, December the 29th, the last day of the year. Well, technically, the last trading day of the year. So, wow, it is hard to believe. I want to do a video. I'm going to do a separate video on just kind of just kind of a reminiscing how my year went and kind of my goals for next year. So, I'm going to leave that discussion for that video. But wow, what an amazing year. And it's just mind boggling that we're almost at the end of 2023. But quickly, let's go over today's session and how the trading went today. Kind of similar to yesterday. Had a good day on my 150K take profit and a not so good day on my 50Ks. So anyway, let's just dive in. So you can see here we had a $569 profit day on our 150K Apex funded account. Again, trading 1 to 2 minis on this account, and this is the account that I trade live on stream. So going okay. We can see our account balance is at $2,008. So we're not quite halfway to that ultimate goal of $5,000 in profit, but we're slowly getting there, and really happy with the progress that I've made just this past week on this account. And we were in drawdown on this account, and now we are 2,000 in profit, and hopefully we can keep it going. Here is my TradeZella dashboard on this account. Yeah, we don't tell anyone and let's not talk about it, but we've kind of strung together some green days. Let's just keep it going, and hopefully the goal is to get this account to a payout. That is the goal. And wouldn't that be a sweet New Year's January present? I sure would take it, but try not to put much pressure on myself like I did last time. If you're not familiar, the last 150K account I was trading, I got it to $4,300 in profit, and then the wheels fell off. So my goal is to just continue to trade this account and to not trade the profit and loss and not to trade the balance, and just to continue to trade it and take the setups I see, and be patient, take the setups I see, not to be hesitant. And I feel like I'm doing a lot better job with not being hesitant. And if I see a setup and I like what I see, I just take the trade. Today did okay with that. I did miss an entry right here. Right here after we failed to make a new low. Really should have entered right here at the 59s and just didn't pull the trigger. So it is what it is. I'm fine with it. Right here, I made a big mistake, and this should have been like $700 in profit, but made a mistake here. I went long, just looking for a small bounce, and I had my stop right here, and it's kind of hard to see, but basically what happened, the price was fluctuating and I didn't like the price action I was seeing. So I just wanted to get out of the trade. And I literally go and hit the close all button. And at precisely the moment that I hit it, we had a big spike lower. And it must have hit my stop at the same time that I hit the close button. So instead of just getting me out of the trade, it actually put me in a short position. And then, of course, it rips higher, and I ended up just taking another $150 loss. So I was actually kind of on tilt when that happened. So I did take another trade right here. That was a winner, and that was my last trade of the day. So, and then I ended stream, so did not take another trade, but overall, happy with where this account is at and how it went today. Now, let's go to the 1950K accounts. This was not so good. Again, I just I'm telling you, these 12 accounts, there's something wrong with them. They're cursed. No, they're actually not. I traded terribly today on these accounts. I was kind of figured out what I'm doing wrong. I'm being way too lenient with my entries. And I think it's because I'm trading micros. I'm like, I can just enter anywhere I want because it's only micros. And then the trade starts going against me. And I'm just like, it'll come back. You know, it's just not sound trading at all. And kind of getting into some bad habits. So I might take a break from trading these accounts for a couple days to get my mind right. And I need to take these accounts a little bit more seriously and make sure that my thought process, my entries and stuff is coherent. So that's where we're at. This is the 1950K accounts, the TradeZella for this. So again, just last 2 days, not great. But I will say, using Guardian Angel Trader, once I hit, $80, sometimes it goes over by a little bit, but $80 per account, I am done for the day. And it's obviously not what I want. It's not ideal, but we can recover from an $80 loss, and it's not detrimental to my account. So onwards and upwards, and hopefully we can start turning these accounts around. You can see we're a little bit in drawdown on these accounts. On these set of accounts, we're $250 to $500 in profit. So I don't know. I guess we'll just keep on keeping on, and what happens happens. So anyway, that does it for this summary. And again, thank you everyone for your support and watching. And we will see you guys next year. I'll be streaming on Tuesday. So take care. Make sure you're safe. And take care. And God bless.